Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review one product and it is actually a very well-known product in Malaysia. Okay, I give you some tips about this product. First, we can see it at Sport Day. Second, it is actually an advertisement that those people who play football and to promote positive attitude and sport value among kids and families. And the last one is it is in green. So now everyone actually can know the product, right? Yes, the product is MILO. Okay, firstly, why MILO is the popular brand in Malaysia and why people like it so much. So this is the reason I want to do a product review on MILO. So now we will be going to buy the product of MILO. Let's go. Okay, now I have arrived outside the entrance of Wima. So let's start looking for the product of MILO now. School life is officially back, so you can make a cup of hot Milo for a quick breakfast in the morning. The recipe is very easily. Just heat water and you will have a nutritious drink. But if you want for more milky taste, you can add 2 teaspoons of powdered milk. Milo is now individually packaged for you to take to the school to drink. It is very convenient to carry it with you every time, especially suitable for students who don't want to drink coffee or milk tea. You can also enjoy a cup with other colleagues during the break time, which is really heartwarming. Okay, the Milo Originals one has a smoother taste and a richer chocolate flavors after I try it. But for the Milo 3-in-1s, I think that is richer than the Originals flavors because it has more chocolates and sweeter than the Originals ones. The Milo 3-in-1 drinks mix is a chocolate lover's paradise. It's also conveniently packaged in stick forms to satisfy your on-the-go energy needs and cravings. Next, I will talk about the Milo drinks. I feel that why does the canned Milo taste so good, and when I buy the Milo powder, it tastes nothing like it. So what is the difference in taste between canned Milo and the Milo powders? Could be due to a variety of factors in the can or tin versions. First is the ingredient. Canned Milo may contain different ingredients or ingredient proportions compared to the Milo powder. The formulations of the products may be adjusted for the specific packaging method to ensure taste consistency and stability. And the second is the packaging. The packaging material used for canned Milo could also have an impact on its taste. The canning process and the material used in the can may influence the flavor of the product. The MILO Nugget is one of the classics of the MILO snack series and launched in 1994. The chocolate is wrapped in crispy biscuit and the outer layer is sprinkled with cocoa powder. It is not overly sweet and has a strong MILO fragrance. It is tempting to eat one after another, and it is a perfect match with ice cream or milk. The convenience, small packaging is not only easy to carry, but also don't have to worry about eating too much at one time. It is a snack that children will love, and mothers can rest assured. Okay, that is the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you again. Bye.